Welcome to Unit 12 of ATM 101, Weather and Climate of Alaska. This is Timmy Miner, and I will be talking about observations for March 22nd through the 30th over the state of Alaska. Starting on Sunday the 22nd, you can see that there is a high over Russia, and there are two lows at the bottom of the state. With these lows, there is an occluded front that is pushing northward. Running from the Aleutian chain up through the interior and into Canada, there's a stationary front. There's a lot of cloud cover and fog throughout the state. And out here in the ocean, there's some rain and snow showers. Moving on to the 23rd, we can see that there are now 3 high pressure systems. There's 2 low pressure systems down here still. With the low pressure system underneath the Aleutian chain, there are troughs, and they are going mostly to the north. There is one that is going northeast. There are still snow showers out here in the Pacific. There's some fog, but significantly less than the previous day. The cloud cover is at about half that of what it was. On the 24th, there's still a high out here underneath Russia with some snow showers. There's this low pressure system that has an occluded front that is still pushing northward. There's fog up here on the western to the north slope part of the state. There's 2 troughs that are going northward. And out here over Canada, there are 2 more high pressure systems. Some other weather that's going on is down here on the Pacific around these fronts. There's some rain. The weather forecasted for the 24th to the 25th, it shows an occluded front moving up with rain showers, snow showers out into the ocean next to the high front. For the 26th, it's forecasted to, once again, snow and rain showers on the ocean, accompanied by these high pressure systems, a low pressure system moving northwestward with fog, rain showers, some snow up here towards the coast along the south central with this occluded front, and these warm and cold fronts that break off from it. Now, on the 26th, as you can see, there is quite a bit of cloud cover. There are 2 low pressure systems next to the Aleutians. This high pressure system is still out here. It hasn't moved that much. It's now snowing with snow showers along the west coast on the north slope. There's this trough that breaks off from this low pressure system down in the Pacific. And there's another trough that goes through the interior and into Canada, where these 2 low pressure systems are located. So as you can see, from the 24th, they predicted this occluded front with the low pressure system, and that's exactly what happened. Then on Friday, there were 3 low pressure systems over here near the Aleutians, 1 low pressure system near the Panhandle, a high pressure system a little bit farther up from that. There's a lot of rain along the coast. As you can see, there's not much rain up in the interior due to the rain shadow effect. Over here near Russia, there's a low pressure system that's kind of been there the entire week. This high pressure system has also been here. There's a little bit of snow out here, and up along the north slope there's some fog. It's forecasted for the 28th to have an occluded front with a warm front and a cold front breaking off from that. Still a lot of rain, a lot of troughs breaking off from this low pressure system, going up through Alaska, going out to the chain, going down, and one's over here going through Canada. This low pressure system that's been over by Russia is predicted to have an occluded front that will be pushing towards the east. Then it's predicted for the 29th that this low pressure system will still be here. Rain showers, the troughs. Out here at the edge of the Aleutian chain and into Russia, there's now 2 low pressure systems and a trough that goes from the edge of the Aleutian chain up through these pressure systems and into Russia. On the 29th, what actually happened is this occluded front comes up from Russia, down by the Aleutian chain, and below it there's this low pressure system that has some snow showers, some fog, and a little bit of rain. There's this high pressure system that's still up. It moved up from the Pacific into Russia. Over here there's 2 low pressure systems with this smaller trough breaking off from it that follows the coast. And along the coast there's still rain and snow showers. Up here on the north slope there's a little bit of snow and a lot of fog. So as we can tell from these weather maps, is the weather changed slowly, and we should look to persistence. It was a little bit too warm to go for climatology this week. To answer some of the other questions that were posted in the class, Dillingham and Kenai were the most consistent. They had 3 days that were very accurate when it came to weather. Low pressure systems are typically stormy with clouds, while high pressure systems are more clear, so they are easier to map, as we could see by March 24th. Let's go back to that day. Right here, it was a fairly clear skies, and therefore it was easier to see this low front, or this low pressure system, and these troughs moving around. Availability of equipment makes for more or less accurate results, depending on how available it is, how new it is, how old it might be, how good it actually is. Due to a cyclone that was in the Pacific, Bethel, Dillingham, and Kenai all had temperatures that rose due to warm moisture. Bethel rose by 17 degrees, Dillingham rose by 7 degrees, and Kenai rose by 7 degrees also. On March 26th, there were record high temperatures in Fairbanks and near record high temperatures throughout the interior. Cyclones that create low pressure troughs are sent up into the interior, occluded front pushes up warm air, and the cloud cover keeps in the warmer temperatures. This concludes my screencast for Unit 12. Thank you.